A source of pride for Turkey as a global brand that designs and produces defense technologies in aerospace. Turkish Airspace, which works day and night to meet global requirements and leads Turkey in aerospace. Combat-proven multi-role medium-altitude long-endurance class unmanned aerial system ANKA performs day and night all-weather reconnaissance, target detection, identification, and intelligence missions with its EO/IR and SAR payloads, featuring autonomous flight capability including automatic takeoff and landing. Beyond an unmanned aerial vehicle, ANKA-AKSUNGUR, high payload capacity UAV system, capable to perform day and night intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, and strike missions. With its technology and air-to-ground weapons, AKSUNGUR has an endurance up to 40 hours. Turkish Airspace, the architect of many projects, has achieved the most challenging goals and has turned Turkey's dreams into reality. We are inspired from the crescent and the star on our flag. Turkish Airspace.